Love to cook, you are absolutely going to love this set of kitchen knives. The brand did send me this to do this review for you guys. They come packaged beautifully. You get 2 of these, and all of them contain the knives in them, and they have plastic pieces and everything. And this is what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. This is the knife block you get here. It has the little rubbers on the bottom right here so they don't go anywhere, which is great. This is 15 pieces, so you get your steel right here. You got a pair of scissors right here. These things are absolutely great. This is the chef one. Then you have your bread knife, you get 6 steak knives, you have paring knives, you have it all in this. These things are absolutely awesome. I know as someone who likes to cook a lot, a sharp knife is essential, especially if you're doing a lot of meat, chicken, vegetables. So if you're looking for a great set of knives that work really well, look great, high quality, definitely check these out.